with IET. Let's zero in on some of the good stuff, the trucks and all that, but we've got the whole crew. Mike, tell us a bit about IET.
Sure, Travis. Thanks for inviting us. IET is the oldest in situ contractor in the country. I'm here with Mike Tynan out of our Charlotte office and Randy Phillips out of our Piedmont, South Carolina office. Together they represent IET's drilling services in the Carolinas. We also provide drilling services, probably the largest drilling contractor in the Carolinas at this point. IET is an in-situ remediation contractor. We hold 13 patents on chemistry, microbiology. Some of those patents include the use of zero-valent iron and any organic hydrogen donor. A lot of the vendors here write us royalty checks for some of those technologies. We do design, turnkey projects all over the country. We have offices in Brazil, Colombia, Nigeria, and here across the U.S. And we're looking forward to our first virtual trade show with you.